Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Ranger Lariat. Coming in this nice Azure gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Sport Appearance Package, the FX Off Road Package, the Advanced Towing Package, and the Trailer Tow Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, your tow hitch, we got a stepped bumper, backup camera, got that nice black accents along this vehicle with mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board, mud flaps on the front, side view camera, turn light indicated, blind spot detection, and moving to the front, we do get remote start with this vehicle, as well as front park sensing. You got block heater, license plate bracket, recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior. You even get under-seat storage by just pulling this out. Got a little storage cubby here, USB, USB-C, 120 volt, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of more door space up front, powered door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, lights, vents, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 8.5 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle for screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get My View, Trip Feel, Off-Road, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, park assist, your trail control, traction, auto stop start, drive modes, tow and haul, 4-wheel drive, cup holders, storage, wireless charging pad with some outlets. Got that center console as well with even more storage, a 12 volt as well. We got our climate controls, basic ones, hazards, all right there. Trailer brake, nice little touchscreen right here. You got storage there and below. We do get a nice powered rear window opener, which is pretty handy, and we do get a nice garage door transmitter. Looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, and Sirius XM. We also do get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your phone controls. You also get navigation as well, music, tow and haul mode, if it wants to load. You got a checklist, settings, all that jazz. You got your climate controls up here as well with dual climate, heated front seats, heated steering wheel. All your apps will show up right here. Zone lighting, towing, owner's manual, sketch. Your vehicle settings are just right here as well. You have auto hold, off-road mode, and a nice 360 view of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE42660, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.